Hi everybody, welcome to March break. Today we'll be making some kinetic sand. If you've signed up for the program, you will get a bag like this that will have 2.5 cups of sand in it and 140 milliliters of cornstarch. So the first thing you do is open up your bag, and inside there will be another bag. That's the cornstarch, and the sand is in here. You can dump your sand in your bowl or whatever you've decided to make it in. And our sand has gotten pretty dry because they've been sitting in paper bags. They usually say to use 1/2 cup of water in it, but you might need a little bit more. The other thing you're going to need besides water is some dish soap, a tablespoon of dish soap. So if you can get that ready, and then all you do is dump in your cornstarch. Into there, with your sand, and then we can mix it up. We'll just get the lumps out and get everything mixed up. What's going to happen when you put in your water and your dish soap is the cornstarch and the dish soap are going to make a polymer. And if you've ever made slime, you have made a polymer before. And it's when the molecules stick together and they get stretchy. So we're pretty good there. We'll get some more mixing in once we put our water in. So I'm not going to put all of this in all at once because I put a bit extra water. So we're just going to mix it until it gets pretty sticky. We don't want too much water in or else it'll be kind of slimy and won't stick together. So we want it to stick together. As you mix it, will probably be easier to mix in a bowl than in here. Okay, so that's still pretty dry, so I'll need to put some more in. And this is good to play with because it kind of helps you de-stress. I know it does me. Kind of like slime again. And the good thing is, if you do end up putting too much water in, then all you have to do is just wait a little while and it will dry out a bit. And then it will be the right texture and consistency. So once it's all mixed up, it will hold together if you push on it. And then if you put it down, it will sort of slowly melt down. It does get a little bit messy, but the good thing is that when it's dried out, you can just vacuum it and you can make molds and put it in and make some seashells, or you could make a sand castle with it. Whoop. Just put it in a mold, and you can use Tupperware or whatever if you don't have any sand toys. So you can make a sand castle just by forming it, and you can make turrets. Just form it into any sort of form you'd like to. If you did two, you could make a sand man. Like I said, it will kind of come out. So, but you want it to be sticking together, and you can have a lot of fun with it. Let me know how it goes, and maybe take a picture of your creations. Have a great March break. Bye-bye.